Hey there friends, I'm back again with another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to take a screenshot in Windows. It's a handy skill that can be super useful for capturing moments, sharing information, and troubleshooting. Now, there are a few different ways to take a screenshot in Windows, but I'll show you the most common methods. Method 1 is using the print screen key, often abbreviated as PRTSC or PRTSCN. It's usually located at the top right corner of your keyboard. Just press this key and it will capture an image of your entire screen. You won't see any visual confirmation, but don't worry, the screenshot is now copied to your clipboard. To save the screenshot, open any image editing software like Paint, Photoshop, or even Microsoft Word and press Ctrl V to paste the screenshot. For now, I will choose Paint and then press your keyboard the Ctrl plus V key. Then you can edit and save it as you like. So we will close this now. Now for method 2, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. This will bring up a snipping toolbar that lets you select the area you want to capture. After selecting the area, the screenshot will again be copied to your clipboard. Just paste it into an image editor to save it. We will open Paint again and then paste. That's it! You've just learned how to take a screenshot in Windows using two different methods. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to take a screenshot in Windows. See you on my next video where I'll bring you more exciting tech tips and tricks. Happy screen capturing!